KSi Conveyors Automation training video on how to prepare for 140,000 seed count packaging. As a quick review, 140,000 seed count packaging means that each unit of seed will be defined by 140,000 seeds per unit. However, because of the legal requirements of selling seed quantity still must be measured by a scale in pounds. For an operator to be able to deliver seeds in 140,000 seeds per unit, the operator must calculate the amount of seed to fill into his scale to complete the customer's order. Simple calculation will allow the operator to do this, and that calculation is shown on the bottom of your screen. Simply select the number of units, multiply that number of units desired times 140,000 seeds per unit, and then divide that number by the number of seeds per pound that's available to you either on your seed ticket or on the box label. This will give you the amount of seed in pounds needed to put on your scale. If so desired, you can walk through an example calculation as shown on your screen presently. KSi Automation systems, including KSi AutoBatch and KSi AutoTreat, have been capable of automatically doing this calculation and delivering the proper amount of seed defined by 140,000 seeds per unit since the year 2008. The following slides walk you through, as an operator, all of KSi Automation systems that are capable of calculating automatically and delivering seed in 140,000 seed count units to your scale. The next few slides will review how to do that in each of our automation systems. The first system we'll talk about is the KSi Seed Count Controller. This is a simple, basic automated system that controls air gates only and does not control conveyor motors. However, it is very useful for an operator wanting to deliver an order of seed defined by 140,000 seeds per unit. To accomplish this with this KSi Seed Count Controller, the operator simply goes to his home screen and pushes the Setup button on the screen as indicated in the graphic. The second step is to simply select the Units by Count button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. At this point, the operator is then able to enter a seed order defined by units, and the system automatically calculates the number of pounds based on information the operator has also previously set up in his system, defining each of his seed sources on a seeds per pound basis. KSi AutoBatch version 2 systems began to be delivered in 2008 and were delivered through the 2008 and 2009 seasons. In this system, the operator simply navigates to his home screen, and using information already input into the system when setting up his seed sources, the system can automatically calculate the proper weight when an operator enters an order in units defined by seed count. To do this, an operator simply navigates to his home screen. Second step is to select the down arrow to the left of the seed amount field and to the right of the number 2 on the home page. And from that drop-down box, simply select the amount equals unit per count and press close. At this point, the system is set to accept orders defined by units based on 140,000 seed count. KSi AutoBatch version 3 and KSi AutoTreat version 3 systems were delivered for the 2010 seed treating season. In this system, once again, it is assumed the operator has already input seed source information, including seeds per pound information for each of his seed sources on his bin page or tank pages. And if an operator wants to set the system to be able to deliver seed orders by units based on 140,000 seed count, the operator simply navigates to the AutoBatch setup page by selecting the Setup menu button on the top navigation bar and then selecting the AutoBatch Setup button on the sub bar. Once the menus have been selected and pressed, the screen will be displaying the AutoBatch setup page. Second step is along the left side of the page under the Seed Mode Select. The operator should select the amount equals unit per count button, which is the red button near the bottom of that column. The operator will see green highlights appear on each side of that red button, indicating that the system has been set to deliver seed in units based on 140,000 seed count. KSi AutoBatch version 3.2 and KSi AutoTreat version 3.2, as well as KSi AutoBatch version 3.2.1 and AutoTreat version 3.2.1 have been delivered for the 2011 and 2012 seed treating seasons. In these systems, once again, it is assumed that the operator has already input seed treatment or seed size information into each of the seed sources on his tank pages. With KSi AutoBatch version 3.2 and higher and KSi AutoTreat version 3.2 and higher, it is very simple to select an order size of units based on seed count. This is done on an order-by-order basis as opposed to setting the entire system to deliver seed in this manner. On each order that a customer enters or runs from a system, the operator simply navigates to the home page and presses the Manage Order button. Once the Manage Order or the Edit Order pop-up box has appeared on the operator screen, the operator simply selects the amount in units per count button just to the left of the green check mark, as indicated by the red arrow on your screen presently. Once this has been selected, the system is set to deliver the order of seed in units per 140,000 seed count. The operator simply, as a third step, enters the amount of units and presses the green check to exit the Edit Order pop-up screen. The final two slides in this presentation indicate for different seed bin sizes the number of units defined on 140,000 seeds that should be able to be held in each of your bins. This tool is also able to be downloaded from KSi's website at www.ksiconveyors.com.